Hi, welcome to my channel Beauty Gift Time. Today I have another gift set need to share with you. This is a promotion from ESTEE Lauder, which you buy $75 any of their product, you will have this gift set. This is the DayWear gift set that I have here. So this is the gift bag. As you can see, this is a very colorful and pretty gift bag. You can put your skincare or cosmetic in there. It's good for travel. Let's have a look what's in there. We have gift number 1. The ESTEE Lauder DayWear Eye Moisture Gel Cream. It's a cooling anti-oxidant moisture gel cream. It's a 5 ml sample pack. It's a gel texture. It's made from cucumber extract, so it can provide like a cooling feeling on your eye area. It's very light. It mainly provides hydration. As you can see, very easy to absorb. So this is one of the good friend of the eye. DayWear Eye Gel Cream 5 ml. And then the second one will be this ESTEE Lauder Brown Defining Pencil. It's a 03 color, brown color. Then you got the brush in there, the trimmer. It's very handy as well. It's like 2 in 1. And we have this ESTEE Lauder Take It Away Makeup Remover Lotion. It's a 30 ml, made in USA. It's for all skin type to remove the long wear and waterproof makeup. It's like a lotion. It's a lotion base. You can see it's a lotion base. You can easily massage to remove all your makeup before rinse it with water. So this is gift number 3. And then we have this DayWear Creme, DayWear Multi Protection Antioxidant 24-hour Moisture Cream with SPF 15. It's a day cream with sunblock. It's 15 ml. It's for normal or combination skin. A apply morning and night after your repair serum. It's a light green color. It's a cream texture. It's a cream texture, but it's not very creamy. It's very light cream as well. This is very convenient because it's already provide the SPF 15, so you don't have to buy separate sunblock. This is gift number 4. As usual, we will have this mascara, one mascara, is in 01 Extreme Black color, 2.8 ml. Sumptuous Extreme Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara. This is gift number 5, and then we have this lipstick. Number 6, we have lipstick. So this is the Pure Color Envy 420 Rebellious Rose. Very pretty color. Got the ESTEE Lauder logo printed on here. Very nice color. So this is gift number 6. This is the Serum, Advanced Night Repair Serum, ESTEE Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, which is very famous. It's a 7 ml pack, very light, watery serum. Provide hydration, help to repair the skin. I use it every day as a kid. So you can see it's a watery serum. Very light texture. You need to apply this serum first before apply the day cream, the DayWear cream. It absorbs super fast. So that's it. So we have all our 7 gifts here, 7 gifts, and this is the gift card which enable you to obtain one sample foundation from ESTEE Lauder counter. You can find your matching shade. So this is a detail for all the gift set, the products that we have here. And last one will be this gift bag. Very nice gift bag. It's Capri Lotion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of gift if you buy $75 or more from ESTEE Lauder counter in any Davy Jones store. Hurry, the promotion is end on this Sunday. Happy shopping! Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and share with your friends who like to get the promotion. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now. Bye!